A guy on Reddit swapped a genuine Apple camera pulled straight from another iPhone 14 into his own phone in 2023, and Face ID died instantly, replaced by a warning that read, "Unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple camera. Same brand, same model, same factory, same year, rejected anyway. The part wasn't fake, wasn't counterfeit, wasn't third party. It just wasn't married to his specific logic board, and the software knew it." That's parts pairing, and it runs deeper than most owners ever realize. Since the iPhone 12, batteries, screens, Face ID modules, and Touch ID sensors are all serialized to one motherboard using a private software handshake Apple keeps locked behind its own tools. Replace any of them with a real Apple part from a donor phone, and the software still throws warnings, kills true tone, disables camera stabilization, or reports fake battery health, because the serial numbers don't match Apple's internal database. Here's the part they really don't advertise. Even Apple-authorized repair shops can't fully restore a swapped parts function without running Apple's own system configuration tool, and that tool has to phone home to Apple's servers to repair the part. No internet connection, no pairing. No pairing, no working stabilization, no accurate battery percentage, sometimes no working Face ID at all. A repair done with 100% authentic Apple parts by a certified Apple technician still needs Apple's live permission to actually function. We post one of these hidden mechanics every single day, so if this is the kind of thing that gets under your skin, subscribe now so you don't miss tomorrow's dig into what these companies don't put in the manual. Because the workaround gets stranger from here, and it involves the exact lawmakers who are supposed to stop this. California's Right to Repair Act took effect in July 2024, and Oregon passed SB 1596 that same year, specifically written to outlaw parts pairing outright. But Oregon's bill carved out an exception for anything a manufacturer could label a security component. And in 2024 testimony before the Oregon legislature, repair advocate Rossmann warned that Apple could stretch that single word to cover almost every part inside the phone, gutting the ban before it ever took effect. Drop a comment below if you've ever hit a genuine part, warning on a repair that used a real, authentic Apple part. So that Reddit user with the rejected camera had exactly two choices: pay Apple's price for an official repair, or keep a phone with a broken Face ID forever, genuine part installed and all. The device sitting in your pocket right now runs software that decides, part by part, whether it still fully belongs to you. Hit the bell so tomorrow's secret lands in your feed automatically.